Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Khaled, and today we are back with another DAP, another ROI, daily ROI, but this one gives you another 8%. Now, if this sounds familiar, it's like baked beans, and baked beans is super successful. So if you guys think that, baked beans might be a little bit too late or something like that, first of all, you're not. But the focus today, if you want to be super early, get that best early gains, there's this fork of baked beans that is on the Avalanche chain, which I think is always the smartest thing to do. You don't want to clone a contract and be on the same on the same network, because then you will seem as a competitor and sometimes you won't do as well. But because this is in an AVAX, it can actually do as good as baked beans because it's in a separate, totally different network. There's two different people, you know what I mean? So yeah, today I want to join this. I'm going to do a review. I'm going to do a whole, step by step from A to Z. I have 1.2, but I'm only going to invest one AVAX into this as a test. I did some research into this. You guys can do your own research in your own time. I'm going to leave the links in the description. I looked at the audit. It is audited. You gotta, this is a requirement. If this was not audited, I would have not looked at this. And I scrolled down to read what was the issues. It was just one issue, and the fact that they actually mentioned it right here. It's just called an ROI app. Anything that is high risk is an ROI app, because they're saying whenever you, if you didn't know, whenever you deposit, it's locked. You cannot get that money back. So that's why they consider it as high risk. And of course, you guys should know about that. So yeah, I'm gonna connect my wallet for the first time. Actually, I'm gonna click MetaMask. This is my account. Click connect. Yes, and then we are in. So it shows the contract balance of this is 1,900. So you guys can look at this and see in a week, see in 2 weeks time, in a month time, is it increasing? If it's increasing, that's a very good sign that we are doing well, you know what I mean? But remember, the earlier you are, the better the gains that you'll get. So I'm gonna put in my money, as simple as that. Put in one AVAX, and then you have to click cook rice. Remember, guys, you need to switch to the Avalanche network. I'm gonna leave a link to an article that shows how to do that. You just need to click add network and then fill in the blanks, basically. But you need to switch to the Avalanche network, and then you're gonna click cook rice. Click cook rice to generate the rice, basically. I'm gonna confirm that. By the way, guys, excuse the messy hair and I'm wearing a robe right now because I'm gonna go straight back to sleep after this. So like and subscribe if you like my commitment to making videos as soon as something out, because it's actually pretty new, guys. It launched, I believe, a day or two ago, and their Telegram is under just over 600 people. So if you want to be early on something, you might need to take a look at this. So now that we have my rice, I'm assuming this will update in any second. If not, I just probably need to refresh, which is no problem with me. So now I have 287 rice. Now this is like baked beans in everywhere, basically. It's 8% a day, low dev fees, and they do recommend to go for that, what is it called? Recook, yeah, cook 6 days a week and then eat 1 day a week. Obviously this will make it sustainable, and if everyone's disciplined, this contract will grow with a higher chance of being more successful. So once I do that, my rewards are already building up. I'm gonna leave my referral link. I'm gonna leave the link to this in description. If you click it, it will support me at no extra cost of you guys. You know what I mean? This is just a way of supporting a small YouTuber who's taking time out of his sleep, which I don't mind. You know what I mean? I like making videos for you guys. I like looking at videos that's early on. As soon as I invest in something, I want to let you guys know about it. So, you know what I mean? You get exactly what I'm invested in. You know what I mean? I'm not lying to you guys. I don't have any other gems that I'm not telling you guys. You know what I mean? I just want to keep it real. My YouTube is literally side to side to my investing journey. So, you know what I mean? I invested in this. I'm gonna let you guys know. Simple. So if you appreciated that, subscribe and like for more crypto videos in the future. Stuff like this in the future as well. I heard there's a couple more that are just launching like this. So if you're interested, subscribe, stay tuned, join the Telegram, my Telegram, link in the description. It's called the Farmers Community. And yeah, you can ask any questions. So it's as simple as that, guys. You know what I mean? Here is for compounding, here's for cashing out. And I'm assuming, well, I know this is an AVAX in, AVAX out. So there's no like, you don't buy it in a different token or anything. All you need to do is deposit in AVAX. When you compound, when you claim, it's in AVAX. You don't need to sell anything. And yeah, if we look quickly in the cooked rice paper, that's what they call it. I'm leaving in the description. You can read it in your own time fully. But basically, right, they say here, it's 5 to 8% daily, 3% dev fees, 12% referral bonus. Can I get your initial back? Basically saying no, you can only get it through your daily interests. And then here they're talking about the benefits of being early. This part is kind of important. The mechanics in place guarantee early players ROI on this scale. The first 1,000 players ROI in 20 days, the next 500 in 30 days, and the next 200 in 60 days. So as the Telegram is just over 600, that means we are below this. We're still in the first 1,000. So if you're watching this, you are early. Simple as that. You can ROI in 20 days. That's beautiful. But yeah, what's the price of the rice? Price of rice does not have any set price. Higher TVL means more rice per AVAX. Lower TVL means less rice per AVAX. This creates a level of playing field so no user can be late. There is no calculator available to work this out. Fair enough. It makes it fair. So even if you did come later, you're not really at a loss, basically. What would be my daily percentage? Daily percentage is 8%. This depends on eating habits, time of the day, your recook, TVL fluctuation. The average is 5 to 8%. Fair enough. And here, if you recook 6 days and eat 1 day serving, and if you eat 1 serving weekly, why are rewards not going? Basically, eating habits. What happens if I always eat? You basically will drop, your daily percentage will drop dramatically, as they say it right here. Is my organ offer? So basically, these are like frequently asked questions. What are the fees? Blah 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 blah. If you want to read this, you can read it in your own time, guys. I'm gonna end the video there. Remember, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description. Like the video if you enjoy stuff like this. You know what I mean? But again, remember, this is risk capital and this is high risk. It's 8%. And the fact that you lock so whatever you invest, it's locked. The only way you make it back is to the 8%. That's it. So remember, only you invest risk capital, money that you don't mind going to zero. Other than that, it's been your boy DJ Khaled. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Let me know what you think about this cooked rice. Anyways, bye bye.